Welcome to my art channel, and today, like every other day this month, we're going to do Inktober. So that in and of itself is really exciting. Something else I thought about was just how cool and fun it's been doing this, and how many other artists I've been able to meet through this, like comment on their stuff and all those things, and just made me think of all the artists that I've supported or artists that I like. So I thought maybe I would start interjecting some of that into what we're doing. So one of those things is this jacket that I'm wearing. Can you see it? All right. So this jacket is by Spaghetti Kiss. So I'll link some of that info on this video so that you can look up that artist. And then I'm going to try to show you a couple artists that I like in subsequent videos. So we'll see how that goes. So support your local artist. If you have some artists you want me to check out, I'm always looking for that. I like to look at new people's art, follow them on Instagram or YouTube, whatever it is. Put the links below. Follow me on Instagram, tag them on my posts so I can see their stuff too. So, and if you are an artist, please reach out, because I always like to meet people and talk to them, and you know, maybe we can collab or do something together.
So, yeah. So I cut myself off doing that. So when you're filming yourself, you talk too much. So for this sketch, I am undoing a brand new kneaded eraser, which is super satisfying. And today is day 5. So today's prompt is build. Build was a really hard one to think about what I wanted to do. I thought about Legos, I thought about house building, even building a snowman came to mind and things like that. And I just felt like I wanted to do something a little more clever or fun. So I don't know how the idea struck me. I think you know what? I think I actually started Googling around earlier, and that's where it came to mind, was like instructions, like building something in your house. And so I thought about the Ikea guy and the Ikea instructions. And I thought, well, that would be kind of fun and like simple line art looking kind of style. So he's like a chunky stick person. So that's what we're going to do. So then it was like, okay, well, what are my instructions going to be? And how to include tentacles, because that's my theme. So I thought, what if you bought from Ikea a kit to make your own octopus friend? So these are the instructions. I definitely sketched this out a few times before hitting this sketchbook, just doodling during my day, like my ideas about it. And then I kind of just brought that all together in this sketchbook. So in the first one, you can see that it's the parts. So it's like, okay, well, we have 8 tentacles and 100 little suckers. So, you know, you can kind of see what I'm doing. I'm breaking it down. And now I'm going to use the King Art marker. So I thought for this I could use the bullet nib, that would be a good choice, because I want an even size, not like the Copic that's going to give me a thin and then thicker type of size. So I wanted something to be a little thinner. So that's what I went with. I went with the King Art nib. If you just heard that ding, that was my phone. If you just heard that other ding, that's my dinner. So anyway, so here I am using the King Art, and I think this will really work for this purpose. The only thing I didn't think of at this point was if I wanted to have other color, and since these are water-based, everything would bleed. At least in my opinion, they would bleed. And so that's my face. You can kind of see. Well, you already know what I look like, but you see my head popping in. My setup wasn't so super fantastic at this moment. But I really thought this was cool because it really made me think about how I was doing this. You can see there my boxes are all screwy and not straight. That's fine. But like with the 100 suckers, so it was like how many suckers per tentacle? And then does Ikea give you extra? Because I could have done like 80 suckers for 10 for each tentacle. But I thought, no, like Ikea would throw you a few extra, like if something broke or something was wrong. And then I thought, like, what's your finished product? So this is where I feel like I had talked about really liking digital art. I feel like here is where I could have made it a lot cooler looking and fun, because what I wanted, the idea I'm trying to portray is that he has all these pieces that look very basic, and then he puts his octopus together, and then in the last panel, it's like an octopus. It's like a real octopus. So you imagine going from those like shiny, like fake laminate wood pieces of like an entertainment center, and then to a live sea creature that's engulfing you in your living room that you've put together. You know what I didn't think of? Like, what if you put it together wrong, or you forgot a leg, or you put a leg in the wrong spot? Because who hasn't done that? Like the leg on like those little Ikea tables? I don't know. It's a good one to think about. So this is like a fun one I think would be cool digital because you could really get in there and make that octopus look super real or like realistic-y. And I think that would be fun. So I don't know. Inktober takes up a lot of time and energy, so I don't know if I'll actually do it digital, but it would be super fun. Boom. All right, so that was great. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you enjoyed this time. And now I won't cut myself off, but I did do a video outro. And as much as I like these are like difficult for me to do, I won't skip it. So here I am.
Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can be notified of future videos. Thanks. Bye.